Hello my people, welcome once again to Fun Cooking with Brandy. Today we are going to prepare liver. Enjoy. This is our liver, you see, chopped and washed. You wash once. You put it into the saucepan. You keep checking on the liver as you stir a bit, as you wait for the water to dry out. You can add in, the liver is now dry, adding our cooking oil, onion, stir a bit, and later you can add in the rest of the ingredients. That is our tomatoes and garlic. That is our carrots, green pepper, time to cook. At this stage, we are going to add in curry powder. Don't make it too much. We add in salt and some tomato paste. See that? You can now add in some little wheat flour to make it thick. You can now add in water to make soup and let it boil to become softer. Yes, you can boil it to the level of water that you want. Our liver is ready to serve. Delicious. For more of my fun cooking videos, guys, do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, share on my channel. Bye.